Getting inside a master lock can be the endeavor that separates the men from the boys. Not to worry though, Skeeter Magee here, I'm gonna show y'all 5 easy creative ways to get into any master lock. And you ain't gotta be no scientist neither, none of that little clicks and pops, you know that stuff, none of that crap. Alright, number 1, the coke acid trip. Like my pops always said, whether you're taking a grime off a dime or the block off a lock. One tool to do the job, and that's Coca-Cola. Now you can use a pair of scissors or this World War II bandit from Iwo Jima. Remember, don't be a sissy. All right, now you got this little flap right here. Fold it back. Oh, look at that. You run this over the locker, all right? Take the locker, all right? You just give it a nice little dip. Oh, yeah. That acid from the coke there strips your enamel right away. Working on that lock. You can use Pepsi too, but Coke is less suspicious, all right? Trust me. All right, now you want to take it outside. You want to set it in the sun, all right? Very important step. What's wrong with this freaking table? So I've been chilling out here for about 30 minutes in the sun. Now watch this, y'all. You want to take the lock out the Coke, all right? Give it a little shake, get that Coke out there. Now watch this, here comes the magic, ready? Just give it a nice little tug. All right. Okay, all right, hold on. All right, sometimes it just needs a little whack. Hey, you like that? Like that, you sick little lie. Look at that. All right. Number 2. All right, y'all. Mixing things up a bit. All right, so we got a lock on the lock box here. All right. All right, lock on the lock box. I can't get in. What's she hiding from me, huh? What's she hiding from me? I can't get in there. You won't tell me your secrets? Well, I'm gonna squeeze them out of you. Just a couple more pumps. Listen to it whine and scream. Just like your girl be whining and screaming when she realizes you get on in there. Now wait. Bam. Got it. Number 3, we're gonna grill it off. I'm dead serious. Start up a nice cooking flame. All right. See the heat gonna expatiate the intercostal layers, and that's gonna help the lock separate. Oh, whew. Oh man, she's steaming. Oh man, she's a solid piece now. She don't even spin. Huh. Where'd that walk go? She been suspicious lately. She been missing after school. You know, she been hanging around with some of them other kids. What you hiding from me? What you hiding from me in there? I ain't jealous. What you hiding from me? So it's about as science as we get around here. Her lock can be stuck to the wall. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a rope like this, all right? Nice thick one, right through that lock slot. Now you wanna make sure you got a strong core, all right? Otherwise it might burst your cerebellum. You're gonna run that way, lock's gonna rip right off. Now for crying out loud, right? If your rope's going down the middle, you got bigger problems, okay? Out the back. Jeez. Hold on, it's in the ground a little bit. Yeah. All right. one more lock. The DW, or the double wrench method. Now see, y'all, most folk get this one all wrong, right? They try to get in there like that. Let me show you the proper technique. A smaller wrench on the left side. You want a bigger wrench on the right side. Picking locks to making napalm. Skeeter Magee here, checking out. Let me know if you want some more videos. Got plenty more technique. All right. Man, I've broken a lot of things in my life. A lot of hearts. But honestly, don't think I ever broke nothing more than I broke this table.